cliche, it's not so. This summer doesn't have to be busy to be meaningful. I created a free printable mindful summer bucket list with simple, grounding activities for kids and families. Things like cloud watching, barefoot walks, kindness acts, and quiet rest time. We're using this at home to slow down, connect more, and create calm memories without pressure, just one small moment at a time. You can grab your free copy at the link below. And if you want even more calm this summer, I also created a full printable calm down kit with affirmations, coloring pages, breathing tools, and more. Let's make this summer calmer, sweeter, and more intentional for them and for us. Free printable and calm kit, both linked below.